Do I have a stimulus package update for you today? So I got some information from the horse's mouth, or should I say from the POTUS's tweet. That's right, Donald Trump himself just tweeted a couple hours ago what it is that he would like to see in the next stimulus package. And I know there's a lot of talk going on about what's going to be included in it. There's a lot of proposed bills. So here we're going to see what it is that he would like to see in it. And he actually just tweeted a little while ago as well that he's going to be doing a very important press conference today at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, where I think he's going to be discussing some of these things. So in this recent tweet, he puts the elimination of sanctuary cities, payroll taxes, and perhaps capital gains taxes must be put on the table. So let's talk about why this is so important right now and the implications this has on the possible next stimulus package that could come out. And if you like that, do me a favor, smash the like button really quick. When you do that, it'll tell YouTube that you like it and it'll pass it on to other people so they can get this information and get updated on what's going on. And also, my name is Steve. I'm a real estate investor and my channel is all about helping people get started in real estate investing and building wealth. So if you'd like to see more videos on that, smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And right now I'm trying to get information out as quickly as I can to get you guys updated on what's going on with all things stimulus, the economy, and us getting back to work. Okay, so in order to discuss the importance of this, we're going to have to do it. I'm going to remain neutral, but we're going to have to discuss a little bit of the politics that's going on behind the scenes here with this. So a lot of the bills that have been going out right now have been coming from the Democratic representatives. They've been pushing out these proposals, these bills, the ABC Act, the Emergency Money for the People Act, which is by far the most popular one. And I heard today, I haven't confirmed it, that there are a lot more representatives now that are backing this, that the Democratic side is saying that this is the one that they really want to push. If you haven't seen that yet, I did a video on it, so go ahead and take a look at that. It's the Emergency Money for the People Act. There's also the free rent and the free mortgage, but these have all been coming out from the Democratic side, and they're pretty much promoting stimulus checks to put into the pockets of people. Now, there has not been a whole lot coming out from the Republican side. Now, they just started coming out with some bills. I haven't done any videos on it. If you'd like to see me break those down, do me a favor, let me know in the comments below. But they are starting to propose some, and they're falling more along the lines with what it is that the president, Donald Trump, is saying that he would like to see. And so this is really important because as these bills from the Republican side start to come out and they're promoting these things that are tax cuts for businesses, removal of capital gains and things like that, it's more likely that we will see something like this emerge that will get passed in the next stimulus package. And so here's where the debate kind of comes in, right? You have on one side, you have the Democrats saying we need to get money and stimulate the economy by putting it into the pockets of the people. And then on the other side, we have the Republicans saying we need to get money into the pockets of businesses so the businesses can open up, they can hire people, have incentives to do so, and get people to go spend the money. So it's kind of like the chicken and the egg sort of thing. Let me know which one you feel is right, or maybe we need to do a stimulus package that's a little bit of a combination of both, putting money into the pockets of people so they can go out and spend it, but they also need places to go spend it because there's been so many businesses that have been destroyed. We need to incentivize them to open up again and to hire again so that way the people have a place to go spend it. So let me know in the comments below what you think is probably the best solution, but this is sort of the argument that's going on, right? Do we put it in the pockets of the people or do we put it into the pockets of the businesses? Now, we need to keep in mind that our current sitting president is a Republican. He's an investor and a businessman. So he is leaning more towards the side of we need to get this going for the businesses. And we've already done a stimulus check for the people. So will he be passing another stimulus check that goes out into the pockets of the people? We will see. Maybe we'll see some sort of combination of the two come out. But right now, this is what he's proposing on the table. Now, when I saw this tweet, for me personally, this was really exciting because I'm a real estate investor. So getting rid of the capital gains would be huge. And I would highly encourage you that if you're in a position to, or you would like to be in a position to start considering investing in real estate. Because when you get those gains, that capital gains tax, that's a huge hit. I mean, I live in California and I pay a lot in taxes. And then that capital gains tax on top of it, I mean, unless you do a 1031 exchange or you use some sort of different loopholes to avoid those taxes, you're getting hit pretty hard. So to eliminate that is a huge incentive for people to start investing, for people to start buying real estate. So definitely take that into consideration. This could be a huge stimulus for that particular sector. Now, just to clarify, he has not done the press conference yet. I think right now it's about 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so that's like 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So he's not going to come out for another hour and start discussing what it is that he would like to see, or if that's even what he's going to discuss, what bills potentially the Republicans might be coming out with. So I just want to let you guys know, though, that this came out, and this has a huge indication of which direction we might be going, especially since, of course, as I mentioned before in previous videos, that when the bills come out, they have to be passed by the House, they have to be passed by the Senate, and then they have to be signed off to become a law by the president. So essentially what he would like to see has to happen, or he could veto it and send it back. So there's a good chance that there are going to be some modifications now that he's coming out and saying, this is what I would like to see in these bills that are coming out. So stay tuned. If you get a chance, go ahead and hop on and watch what it is that he comes out with today. We're going to find out from this interview. And again, you guys, thanks for watching. My name is Steve. I'm a real estate investor, and if you haven't already seen the proposed bills that will come out from the Democratic side, I've done some videos on it. The Emergency Money for the People Act looks like it is the most popular one that's out. Go ahead and click on the link, check out my channel, and see that video so you can get all the information on it. Pretty much says you're going to get $2,000 a month put into your pocket for the next 6 months for everybody. Well, there's certain qualifications, but it's in the video. Go ahead and check it out. And again, my name is Steve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. It tells people that you like it, and YouTube will then pass this on to other people. And if you'd like to see more videos on building wealth and real estate, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that way every time I upload, you can be notified. Also, down in the description below, there's a link for the Webull app. When you use the link, you can get 2 free stocks, and one of those stocks, when you fund your account with as little as $100, can be valued up to $1,400. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. God bless. This is Steve.